What's up, everyone? Safe Investor AG here, and I wanted to give you an update and go over a little bit of technical analysis with HBAR and Saucerswap. So I'm sorry, I'm more bullish now more than ever. So total value locked is 27 million, market cap 10 million, circulating supply keeps getting increased. Yes. They keep getting increased. So real quick, just a quick update from the HBAR Twitter. I'm sure most of you have read this already, but this is one of their pinned tweets. It says, the HBAR mainnet has officially processed over 3 billion transactions. A massive thank you to the users, projects, and enterprises who made this possible, showcasing the power of the network and driving global DLT adoption. And we're just getting started. So you have 4 billion. This is growing faster than a snowball. Like really fast. So the Token network is a new solution for security tokens. It combines the firm's regulatory rigor with HBAR's market-leading DLT. Asset owners can tokenize and raise funds quickly and securely. So I'm gonna check that out in the future. So anyways, now I want to show you Saucerswap Labs last tweet. So on January 14th, our second automated market maker of the year is on Saturday, January 18th on our Discord. Got a question, submit them here. All right, so I really recommend you guys accessing their Discord so you guys are updated with a lot of their their updates. And so I really want to I'm gonna log in and then I'll give you guys an update, because honestly Saucerswap is only gonna get bigger and bigger. Anyways, hello Japan, all Saucerswap documentations is now available in Japanese. Now moving on to this one. You're ready for this? This was a tweet from 2 days ago. HBAR's first decentralized exchange, Saucerswap, launched in Q3 and was an instant hit, boosting network services performance. In Q4, Saucerswap further expanded, reaching an all-time high of 22 million in TVL. Well, currently now we're at 29 million. Currently, as we speak right now, we're at 27 million. But look at the range he's trading at, the TVL. You see that? It broke this ceiling, and then we're about to hit 40 million pretty soon, really soon. So I want to show you real quick both charts. I want to show you Saucerswap and HBAR's chart. So I was really expecting for HBAR to fall back to 5.5 cents, about this area right here, 5.5-ish, by this weekend, but it hasn't. It's holding above 6 cents. Look right here. Like it keeps ranging between low 6 cents. Yeah, like 6.2, 6.3, and 6.9. So we just touched this low 6 cents again, 6.3, and now it's gonna probably bounce back up to 7 cents. Man, that's bullish. It makes it hard to catch them real low. Oh wait, it's already low. If you're waiting for HBAR to drop to 3 cents or 4 cents, you're insane. You are. It might tap it for us a day or two. It might, but I highly doubt it. Saucerswap, same thing. I was hoping by now Saucerswap would come back to 2.5 cents, 2.5, or maybe really high twos. But look at this. So see that tendency. Now, like I said, usually from spike to spike, okay, there is a 30-day to 60 days, sorry, 30-day to 45 days range. Now, it just made what I like to call it a double spike. So see here and here, here and here, whoops, here and here. Look at this double spike here and here. Now, I've noticed this pattern typically. That's when it likes to stay within a price range. So I would say the same about Saucerswap Labs. If you're hoping for Saucerswap to fall below 2 cents, good luck. Good luck. Anything can happen, yes. This is not financial advice. Not financial advice. Again, this is not financial advice. I doubt it'll happen. I really do. I doubt it. Because it reached 4 cents, incredibly bullish. I know it didn't register here, but let me show you on the data. Okay. It reached 4 cents. Let me see. Actually, might not show it. Actually, yeah, it's not gonna show it. It's not. Yeah, right here it reached the high 3s. It went all the way from like 2s all the way to 4s. It was amazing. But yeah, it's still consolidating. So this is a very healthy consolidation. Like I said, I'm still expecting it to drop back to 2.5-ish. It may do a slight, hourly dip, or just it may last for 30 minutes, kind of like it did for 1.9 cents. And it might do the same for 2.5, right? Or it may maybe even 2.3, and then it's gonna jump right back up. This is bullish. Very bullish. If it spikes back up again, okay, above 3.6, I mean, I'm gonna have to buy a little more. But I already have a huge bag. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So I'm all in on both HBAR and Saucerswap, and Dovu and HBAR. Okay, so if I were to sell all my HBAR now, everything now, and go all in on just HBAR, I'd probably be able to have about 90K HBAR and between 89 to 92-ish HBAR. But if you look at the chart, it doesn't want to come back down. Look at HBAR. It went to 6.3 again, slow 6, 6.3 again, 6.3, 6.28, and bam, it bounced. It's bouncing pretty hard, actually, really hard. Yeah, so I can see that bounce right at low 6s, and I can see these probably going back up to 6.8, maybe even tap 7 again, because that's where it keeps bouncing. Now, if it breaks 6.65, and if it breaks 6.59 or 6.6, it'll make a quick run to 6.8 most likely. But it's catching a ton of momentum, a lot. Today's volume in the 24-hour is at 37 million. That's a lot. I don't know what anyone might think, but that is a lot of volume. Saucerswap, I think this thing is gonna make a quick bounce at 2.5. I'm still hoping it does, so I can catch a few more. But I'm not holding my breath, because it needs to drop below 3 first. Right here, see these 3s? Excuse me. And I think it did drop below 3, but it immediately bounced right back up. Check it out, right there, 2.9, and then whoop, it just bounced right back up. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna fall below 3 for another couple of days. Patience, it's gonna be key here. Now, the FOMC meeting, excuse me, the rate hike. Will it affect it? It should. It should affect it. Like I said, and I explained in a graph earlier, after this spike. I made a video around here, the 22nd-ish, 23rd, where we're about to see the final dip before the rip, and I still believe that. I believe that Saucers is having its final dip. Its final dip. We're about to see this, and before the rip. It's gonna have one final dip. So this is an amazing time to be alive. So again, I want to real quick give you an idea. So if you compare the stats from the dip in September 24th to November 5th, okay, that's about 45 days. September 24th, October 24th, plus 10 days, that's 45 days, a month and a half. Then you have November 4th to about December 3rd, that's about 30 days. And then December 3rd to January 21st. That's again 45 days. 45 days. We might see a 30-day retracement, and that's why I made a giveaway saying what price do you think HBAR will land by the end of February. I strongly believe we'll enter back to the 10 cents, even higher, not financial advice. I think this is the final dip before the rip. And let's say it doesn't happen. Let's say it takes longer than that. So let's pretend the dip takes a little longer. Look what happens here on this dip. Okay, it took longer than expected. It dropped to mid threes and it bounced again. Okay, it broke through this ceiling with too much momentum. So let's say we consolidate back down to 2 to 5.5, like I said, and it takes long and it just, chills there for, 2-3 weeks, longer than expected. Excuse me. I'm anticipating a blast just to yay high, to 10, maybe even 15, this area right here. And then, like I said, you all see my graph in the community section when I made a post. I'm expecting this year we'll be finishing up between 20 to 25. Okay, and then Bitcoin having them. So bullish. Okay. We just reached 3 billion transactions. HBAR is just getting started. Okay, it's just getting started. The more you stake on native staking right here on your hashback, the more secure the line gets. But obviously the more you stake on your Saucerswap labs, you just make way more money here. I mean, it's a no-brainer. You make a ton more here. So HBAR is just getting started. Okay, Saucerswap. Okay, Saucerswap from its tweet. It's also, where is it at? I just found it. Where's it at? Right here. Okay, same. This is just the beginning. It's just getting started, guys. This thing is gonna explode so huge. So I give it about no more than another month. This consolidation is very healthy, very healthy. You see this? Very healthy. On the 21st, we reached a peak. We were on the 1st of February. I give it till the end of this month. Super patient. I got all the time I need. And bam, we're gonna see another blast off. We might see 2.5. I hope we do, so I can buy a little more. We might not see 2.5s. Well, that sideways trading is amazing, but I don't see it dropping below 2. Maybe we might see this again. I doubt it. Same thing with HBAR. Maybe we might see 3s again. I highly doubt it. If we do, it's just gonna catapult it straight to 15 cents. But what do you guys think about this technical analysis? Let me know in the comment section. How much are you holding? Are you holding quite a bit? I'm all in. I'm all in on HBAR and on Saucerswap. And I got a bit of Dovu. These things are gonna make me super rich within 5 to 10 years. So let me know what you guys think. You guys have a great day. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.